Hello guys, so let's start with our UAM accelerated motion or a motion that is along the straight line. So now let's start. Class, a little background of UAM, as I've said during our class discussion, that it is what we call as rectilinear motion. It is a motion na nag-move along an x-axis or it is along the straight line. So here you can see that we have four different UAM equations. So we have equation 1, 2, 3, and 4. Kani siya class, usahay, pwede po niya siya tawagon as equation 1, equation 2, equation 3, equation 4. Equation 1, it is solving or getting VF. Equation 2, we have distance. Equation 3, we have also distance. And equation 4, we have distance. Again, aning a distance along a straight line. So kaning niya dx na, dx, dx. Next, I have here deriving the four kinematic equations. So, mo na to kinematic equations kaganina. Pero anak ko ganina class nga also kani siya pwede ni siya mabali-bali in different equations. Kay gamiton po ni in different sets of problems. So here ato na isa-isahon tanan. Let's start with number 1. So equation number 1, here we have different equations using equation 1. So how to get acceleration and time using this formula. So we have here VF is equals to VI. So si VI, VF, imo na siyang ibalhin. Can we write here? Imo na siyang ibalhin. So VF minus VI. Napaka-deny 80. So para makakuha kag time, unsa i-divide dire? Si A, di ba? Both sides, di ba na to siya? Both sides. Both sides, nabilin is D na lang. So, mo na siya ang atong gigamit din na. So, na dato na i-erase. Same process class, you can also get the A. So, unsa lang imuhang A minus, mo ra gyapon ang imuhang same na gyapon siya formula by using the first equation. Sunod, balhin ta sa ato ang equation, same gyapon nga equation, then atong i-derive ning using equation 2, we can get the D is equals to VT. So, rare ra gid kaayo ni siya class, pero yes, it is possible nga if wala gali change of velocity, then diretso ra gid ka, velocity times time. Pero if dili gali na kay change of final and initial, then you can use the equation number 2. Next, how about equation number 3? Using the V is equals to dt, pwede po na ito gamiton si D is equals to V over T. So, kani si V, pwede na magamit ang FOIL method ani para maka-achieve ta og 2A kani. Equation number 3. 3 man din siya 3 and 3. So, still connected. So, V is equals to D over T or D is equals to V over T. So, kani si D, natay V times D. So, kani siya, kaya nakakita mong squared and squared diha. Using a FOIL method, then it can derive as this. Leaving us with VF squared, VF minus VI times VI. So, it will give us VI squared, 2A times 2A, so 2A. Next, number 4, we have here V is equals to VF plus VI over T. Gikan ni siya din sa over T. Kanina ni dire class na ni T times nag T. So here you can have both sides, VI time, acceleration, VI plus acceleration times time plus VI over T times T. Ang atong end goal ani is may ng VI. So kani napatay 2 over 2. So kani ato ning i-separate into different entities. So si 2VI plus 80, yan natay divided by 2. Ngano na squared ni siya, kagikan ni siya dire and here. So T and T, so nanay 1 and 1. So T1, T to the power of 1 times T to the power of 1, it will give us T. 2. So nanay 2 diha class. Overall sa 2. Sunod si 2 and 2 ma-cancel out. Kani si 2 ato ni i-give in different terms. So 2 dene and then 2 dene. So 2 VI T over 2 plus 82 squared. So kani siya class ato ni i-cancel ang both sides nga 2. Nabili na lang is VI times time plus A squared over 2. A squared divided by 2. So kani wala natin ma-cancel kay this is 1 and 2. So leave it as is. So nang natay 1 half dire, diba? 1 man ni and then 2. Mao na siya class nga natay 1 half. Sunod A squared. Okay, that is equation number 4. Now, here are the derivatives. So you can copy this if you have time, but simple lang yun siya if you have a lot of time to do it on your own. Do not copy this, but do it, solve it on your own, and then check your answer using the slides, okay? So now let's move on to this 4 linear equations. Again, memorize this. Kaya in the exam, I will not allow you to bring any kinds of formulas because I want you to be familiar with this. So now let's start answering questions. Here I have question number 1. An object accelerates from 20 meters per second at a constant rate of 1.6 meters per second squared for 14 seconds. So how far did it travel? During time? Again, kaning change of x, change of x, again, d ra gid na siya. D and d, diba? Pero, kay mo gani ang proper nga way to write class, pero same ra gid na siya if you want to, d ra gid na siya gihapon, d. Kay again, nga nung na d na siya, kay as you can see, change of x. X is rectilinear. So, same ra gid na sila process, okay? So now, let's try to answer. Naatay VI, naputay, dapat na siya square din ha. Natay VI, that is VI, and then naputay VF. Ang time na to is 14 seconds. How far did it travel? Unsay gamito na to class? Si VF1 ba? Kanina ay time. How about si 2? Kani siya class, kanong dili man siya pwede. Na ba ni distance? Walay distance. O dili pwede. How about here? Na siya distance. Pero magamit ba nato si A? Na ba ni A? Wala. How about equation number 3? Natay distance, pero na ba ni siya time? Na by time? Wala. So, cancel out. Sunod, number 4. VI squared plus AT T. Na ay T. Can we use this? Alright, we will use equation number 4. So now, let's plug and jog. So we have here, d is equals to, again, awa d class, pero diri is summation of x. Kaya again, pareha ra gid na siya. Ang distance diri is rectilinear motion. So kanipod, same ra gid na siya. So now, plug and jog, vi, times t, among t is 14, plus a 1/2, times your acceleration, which is 1.6 meters per second, times 14 seconds. Kani. So the answer is 280 meters plus 156.8. And all of you will give this kind of answer for 436.8 meters. Again, meters for distance. Okay, next. Problem 2. What is the final step of the car in 14 speed? So we have here final speed. So how are we going to do this? Ang final speed class is just looking for a V final. No? So asa man ang equation diri 1, 2, 3, 4 ang nangitag VF. Lalayo pa ba tayo? Oo, equation number 1. So equation number 1, just plug and jog. So we have here VF is equals to VI plus AT. So na kay VI, imong equation kaganina, plus imong acceleration of 1.6 times imong time, and ang answer is VF 42.4 meters per seconds. Na kay question 1 and question 2. How about example number 2? Example number 2, a motorcycle speeds up. Of this speeds up from, this is a from niya, from VI, and then 78 is your VF. And then ang distance na to is 460 meters within that period. What is the average acceleration? So it is looking for an acceleration. So what equation are we going to use? 1, 2, 3, or 4? So now, class, we are to looking for acceleration. So average acceleration. So si 1 na siya acceleration, pero ang pangutana na ba ni time? Na sa ba ni distance? Wala. So wala yung distance. Dili pwede. How about equation 2? Ang problema ni equation 2 is, what should you use? Walay time ang given. Na man ni time niya. Wala man tay time sa given. So dili na siya pwede. How about equation number 4? Naatay time? Yes. Naatay acceleration? Yes, pero ang time ang time na to wala tay time, so di na pwede. Matic, the answer is equation number 3. So plug and jog for answer. So we have here d is equals to VF squared minus VI squared over 2a. So itong gipangita is acceleration. Kani diba? So kani si 2a ato ning e lupad dito. Multiple cross multiply. So 2ad. 2a times d. So it will give us 2ad. Sunod na tay 1 dire. So mana na siya. Mahimo na lang siyang bf squared. Same na gapon kay 1 naman itong times. Sunod atong pangitaon is acceleration. Dapat a lang mabilin. A. So now here, si 2ad ato na i-divide og both sides nga 2d. So dire po 2d. So para makancel na lang ang 2. Ang nabilin na lang is a. So, a na lang nabilin. So, ang final gamiton nga equation is vf squared minus vi squared over 2d. So, man itong gamiton si 2d. Sunod, gamiton na to ni plug and drag na natay given. Natin na kay vf, na kay vi, times 2, tinapod kay d, 460 meters. So, ang atong answer is 5.99 meters per second squared. Meters per second squared kay acceleration na siya. Okay? Next. How long did it take to reach a speed of 78 meters per second? So, naa kay speed diha, class. So, ang gipangita, take. How long? So, ang atong answer is, atong gipangita is time, di ba? So, time atong gipangita. So, which equation ang naay time? It's either equation 1, equation 2, and equation 3. Pero ang atong, unsa man to ang kailangan pangitaon? Kaning equation 1, naa ba ni distance? Wala. So, cancel out. How about equation 2? Pwede. How about equation 3? Walay na distance, na 2D. Kani 2D, pero unsa man nato ang kulang ani, wala siya time, so dili pwede. How about this one? Dili pwede, kay na ay duha ka time, so dili siya pwede. So ang bili na lang is equation 2. Plug and drag, dili na ta. So itong gamiton is ang D is equals to VF plus VI over T. Sunod ka, ang ipangita is ang ato ang time lang yun. So kani si VF, VF squared, kani 2, ato na siyang i-plug dito. So 1D times 2, it will give us 2D. Sunod na nabili na lang is VF plus VI over T. So ang atong i-times, divide na to both sides si VF plus VI. Ngayon mo na siya din na. So makancel out na lang. Nabilin is 2D is equals to VF plus VI. That is the equation for time. So we have here T is equals to 2D over VF plus VI. Use this equation, plug and drag. 2 times D for 60. VF is 78 and your VI is 24, and all your answers should have 9.02 seconds. Next, equation number 3 or problem number 3. Unsa man nato ang gamiton ani class? Atong gipangita is VI. So pwede ba ni siya? Naa ba ni time? Naasad? Naa ba ni distance? Wala. So, dili pwede si 1. How about number 2? Pwede. How about number 3? Na ba ni time? Na ba tay time class? So, wala siya time. So, dili siya pwede. How about 4? VF 1/2 AT squared. Dili pwede. Anong dili man ni pwede? Kay, atong ipangita VI. So, maglisod ta class o cancel out. Pero, we'll just use problem or equation number 1. Let's move on. So, kaniya to problem number 1, D is equals to VF plus VI over 2 times time. So, kani sa time, ato ni siyang i-divide both sides. Kaya diba na 1, diha 1. Yeah, so, kani si T, divided by T, mahimo na lang ng 1. Sunod si D over T, mo na lang mahimo na siyang DT. So, si D over T is equals to VF plus VI over 2. Kani si 2, ato na po ni cross multiply padulong sa T, D. So, 2 times D, it will give us 2D over T. And then VF plus VI. So, man niya to ang equation. Sunod, ato ni i-plug and drag. Ang atong gipangita is VI. So, kani si VF, ato ni i-transpose dire. Nya kay positive man ni, mahimo na lang ni siyang negative. Alright. Mo nang negative na diha class. So, here, ato na siyang i-plug. So, 2D. So, 2 times. Ato ang X is 236 meters over time, which is 12 seconds, minus VF na to. VF is 28 meters per second. So, ato na i-plug una, i-minus ato sa 28. Ang answer is 11.33 meters per second. Next, how about our equation number 4? Unsay pwede gamiton ani class, take note, ang distance should always be meters. So, ang given diri foot. So, feet. So, kailangan feet to meters i-convert sa na ninyo. Pero before ito mag-convert, what equation should we use? Equation 1, 2, 3, or 4? Asa ang acceleration? Naba ni acceleration? Yes. For naba ni VF? Yes. Naba distance? So, wala. Cross out si equation 1. Cross out. How about equation 2? Naba ni siya time? Yes. Naba ni distance? Yes. Naba ni acceleration? Walay acceleration. How about here? Naba ni acceleration? Yes. Naba ni siya time? Yes. Naba ni VF? Walay VF. So, dili pwede. Ang atong gamiton is equation 3. Plug ta. Equation number 3. So, D is equals to VF squared minus VI squared. VI squared over 2x or 2a or kaning AX is equivalent to D ragid na siya. So, 2AD, kani si 1D times 2A. So, 2A times D, it will give us VF squared minus VI squared. So now, we have here 2AD is equals to VF squared minus VI squared. So kani siya class, atong gamiton, atong ipangita is final. So kani si final, asa man ni si final. So kani si negative VI, ato na i-transpose dire. Kay negative man ni, mahimo na siyang positive. Diba? Kaya ato man i-transpose, mahimo na siyang positive. So here, we have left with VF squared. So si VF squared, ato ni siyang square root. So it will cancel out the 2. So it will give us VF na lang. Kay kaning square root, kaning square, mawala man eh. So, mahimo na lang VF is equals to VI squared plus 2AD. Sunod, plug ta. Before ta mo plug, ato sa ni i-convert C. 788 foot to meters. So, 788 foot per meters times plug and drag, it will give us 240.1824 meters. So, ato lang gamiton tanan para sure ball. So, here, ato na i-convert din eh. Kani nga nila dire kay mo na itong gigamit D. So, si D na to is 788 foot, 2 meters, which is 240.100824 meters. So, here, class, ito na i-plug all of this. The answer is 33.74 meters per second. Here, class, I will give this as an assignment. So you have to submit this in our Moodle. I have posted there per section nga mga sections nga mga submission bin. So please solve this as well as this one. Okay? So thank you so much. If you have questions, you may message me or you may inform me here in our course. Okay? Thank you.